At this stage, I will not address the center of articulation, COA, neither the hoof pastern axis, HPA, as it relates to the position of the bony column, green line. The bone axis is the articular area between the second and third phalange. It is projected perpendicularly onto the sole. Why do this? Most materials shear under load and do not necessarily come back to their original shape. In this animation, the blue arrow represents the original shape. The purple arrow shows the elongation due to shear. Note that the material may not always come back to its original shape. The second set of round markers are placed at the distal end of the first phalange over the bony protuberance. This dissected leg does not belong to the left hind hoof shown previously. The blue arrows point approximately to the bony protuberances of the first phalange. The green arrows show the articular area between the second and third phalanges. This radiograph shows more clearly the location of the bony protuberances of the first phalange, shown by the blue arrows. I am using two sets of landmarks to assess the position of the capsule in relationship to the bony column. Again, the blue arrows show the bony protuberance of the distal end of the first phalange. The green arrows show the region called the coronary gaps. In general, it is enough to palpate the coronary gaps, which are located at the coronary band. What are the coronary gaps? The bony protuberances at the end of P2 move into soft regions that can be palpated. Anatomically, the coronary gaps are located between the end of the collateral cartilages, blue arrows, and just before the medial and lateral side of the extensor tendon, shown by the green lines. This is actually an indentation between the end of the collateral cartilages and the extensor tendon. The right image displays the bony protuberances of the second phalange. Note that the extensor tendon and part of the collateral cartilage were removed. Image A demonstrates how to palpate the coronary gaps and how to project them in a perpendicular fashion onto the sole.